Welcome back to another resource spotlight on Hoopla BingePass. Hoopla BingePass lets you access content from CuriosityStream, Hoopla Magazines, and the great courses, all with just one borrow. CuriosityStream offers documentaries and nonfiction series, all with just one borrow. What's great is you can see all of the titles that are included with CuriosityStream before you use your borrow. And it's an ever-growing collection of award-winning original and curated factual films, shows, and series that cover a wide range of subjects including science, nature, travel, history, technology, and more. With CuriosityStream, there is always something new to learn and something new to sate your curiosity about pretty much any topic that you could come across. The Great Courses offers information on a wide variety of subjects from chess all the way to the universe. The Great Courses also lets you view everything that is included before you use your borrow. You can use one borrow to access one or multiple courses. Each course is broken down into multiple easy-to-watch video lessons, so you can choose how much you want to learn at a time from, like I said, a wide range of topics from art all the way to zoology. With the Great Courses, there's never any homework, tests, or pressure, just in-depth instruction from some of the world's greatest professors. As you can see, they also have some travel-related subjects, religious scriptures, to historical figures, ancient cities, and even animals. They have a lot from National Geographic. Speaking of, Hoopla also has magazines. So you can access hundreds of different magazines, all with one borrow. Hoopla Magazines also lets you see what titles are included before you click borrow. So from health to home decor, business to baking, or anything in between, there is a magazine that you will love. With a reading experience designed specifically for digital use, it's easy to read Hoopla Magazines on a mobile device or on your computer. You can even listen to the articles on your phone if you would like. They have pretty much a lot of the most popular magazines, from fashion to Reader's Digest. They also have magazines in English and in Spanish. They have a huge range of offerings, all with different issues that you can check out. So if you would like to learn more information, you can visit ssjcpl.org. Thank you so much for watching.